Today on Liftech University, we're going to be going over how much it costs to repair your home's foundation and tips on making sure you're doing it the best way possible. First off, to give you an idea, if you take all the repairs Liftech did last year and average them out, the average foundation repair came in between $10,000 and $20,000. Now, there's obviously a lot of nuance there, so let's go over some tips to make sure you're doing it right and you're getting the best price possible. If the middle of your home is heaving or sinking, you may need to install new monoposts. And these are priced out by the amount of monoposts and the amount of failure you're experiencing. If you catch this earlier and you're able to prevent future movement, you may be able to reduce your costs by using less monoposts. If your wall is bowing in, you may need wall braces. Now, this price is dependent on the length of the wall and how many braces are needed, and if you actually need to push the wall back out. So if you catch it early before it comes in too much, you can just brace it, preventing future movement and skipping, excavating around the home and pushing the wall back out, which drastically reduces your cost. If the perimeter of your home is sinking, you may need helical piers. Now this price is based off the number of piers and the amount of excavation that needs to be done to fix your home, which is dependent on how much the home is sinking and how much of the home is sinking. And you've probably guessed it by now. If you catch this early, you may need less helical piers to fix the problem, which, you guessed it again, drastically reduces your cost. Long story short, the longer you wait to fix a failing foundation, the more it's going to cost. And whether you pay for that repair now or when you go to sell the home in a few years, you're going to pay for it then. So get in front of a failing foundation, save yourself some money, and give yourself the peace of mind by fixing it as soon as you notice it. And if you have any concerns that your foundation is failing, give a few reputable companies a call to come take a look. Like Liftech will come take a look for free, and in a lot of cases we'll say your foundation isn't failing. You have nothing to worry about, or just patch and monitor in some cases. And if it is failing, we'll give you the best possible plan to fix your foundation and stop that movement for good.